I tried Stakely Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Stakely Wallet app, I expected just another staking tool, something that promises high returns but delivers a complicated mess. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Stakely might actually be one of the most underrated staking wallets in the crypto world. From day one, I noticed the interface was clean, minimal, and focused. No distractions, no confusing charts, just clear staking options for major networks like Ethereum, Cosmos, and Polkadot. By day 2, I started staking some test tokens. The process was smoother than I expected. I didn't need to jump through endless transaction confirmations or connect multiple wallets. With just a few taps, my tokens were staked and already earning rewards. By day 4, I tested the Analytics tab, and this is where Stakely really stood out. It provides real-time tracking of your staking income, validator performance, and even estimated returns all in one place. Most staking platforms hide this data behind confusing dashboards, but Stakely makes it simple. By day 6, I explored its validator network. The app partners with reliable validators across blockchains, meaning your staking is both efficient and secure. Transparency is built, and you can even see which validators are performing best before delegating. By the end of the week, the shocking truth became clear. Stakely isn't just for hardcore crypto users, it's built for everyday investors who want to earn passive income safely. Most people think staking requires deep technical knowledge or risky platforms, but Stakely proves that earning crypto rewards can actually be effortless. After 7 days, I was genuinely impressed. Fast setup, no nonsense, and real-time visibility of my rewards. It's everything a staking wallet should be. If you've ever wanted to put your crypto to work without dealing with the chaos of DeFi, Stakely might be exactly what you've been missing.